Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai. All praises to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem Kakadash. Double honors to the Apostle, Great Millstone, and salutations to the elect that's pushing this truth in all sincerity. So today, I want to talk about you're supposed to endure to the end, all right? Because Christian church talks about how they're saved, and that the minute they have faith in Jesus, right, that they're saved. And the thing is, you're supposed to have faith, and faith is the thing that's ultimately going to save us. But they say that they're already saved. Saved from what? All right. So that saving is being saved from Jacob's trouble, saved from the destruction that's coming. Okay. So I want to talk about enduring to the end. The Christian church thinks that the minute I accept Jesus, now I can do whatever I want. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to follow the laws. I don't have to do anything. So this is Matthew chapter 24, verse 13. But he that shall endure unto the end, the same shall be saved. So if you say you're saved, you're wrong. All right, you're wrong. You're not saved. It says he that endures to the end is the one that's going to be saved. All right. So if you don't endure to the end, well, you're not saved. All right. So you could believe. Well, that shows that you didn't truly believe then, because if you have true faith, then you shall be saved in the end. All right. So if you die now, and then like in a race riot, or if you die now, like to Ebola or to and any of these diseases are coming up, Zika, swine flu, all that mess is coming back. You know what I'm saying? The pestilence of Egypt are coming back. Okay? So if you die to that now, then you're not saved. Okay? Now, there is going to be 1/3 that is ultimately saved, and then some of them are going to be martyrs for the truth. But I'm talking about your average day Christians. You guys are not saved. Okay? You're not saved. And you say saved. Saved from what? So I'm saved from what? All right, this is Revelations chapter 2, verse 26. And he that overcometh and keepeth my works unto the end. You see that? You have to keep works. Okay? What's the works for the Christian church? What do they say? There is no works for them. So it says right here, you're supposed to keep the works. If you ask the pastor, your pork chop eating pastor, what's the works? What's he going to say? The works is the laws, okay? Pushing this truth, okay? That's the works. So, and it says, and he that overcometh and keepeth my works unto the end, to him will I give power over the nations. All right? Now this is verse 26. This is verse 26. And he shall rule them, verse 27. And he shall rule them with a rod of iron, as the vessels of a potter shall they be broken to the shivers, even as I received of my Father. So the ones that are going to be ruling are going to be breaking down these nations with a rod of iron. Okay, so that's hardcore slavery. So this is Revelations chapter 2, verse 3. And hast borne and haste patience, and for my name's sake haste labored, and haste not fainted. So you're supposed to have patience in this. You're supposed to diligence in this truth. Okay, you're supposed to. This is not a race. Okay, it's a marathon. All right, so you're not supposed to burn out. You're not supposed to burn out the oil that you have. Okay, so yeah, you're supposed to. It says right here, the one that does not faint. Okay, because you could be in the truth and then you're tired. You're like, where's Yahushua? Which the world ignorantly calls Jesus Christ. So you say, where's Yahushua? And then you just drop out the truth. And then you go back to a Christian church, or you go to Muslim, Islam, or you go to some bull. All right, you go back to the world. And that's sad. That's pathetic. You're not safe. Okay? Because it doesn't matter if you start off in it. If you don't end off in it, it doesn't matter. He doesn't care. And you don't want him to put you in that lot. Okay? You don't want him to put you in a lot where you start off in the truth and then you drop out. That's not good. That's a sad lot to be in. That's why you gotta pray every single day. Pray without ceasing. So this is Ecclesiastics. This is Ecclesiastes chapter 7, verse 16. Be not righteous over much, neither make thou thyself over wise. Wise shalt thou destroy thyself. Yeah, because if you're over righteous, and then you're gonna burn out, and then you're gonna keep trying to watch videos every single day, or 24/7, and then you're gonna try to push videos every single day, 24/7. Then you're gonna drop out. You're gonna get tired. Okay, so you're not supposed to be over righteous. You're supposed to. It's a balance. It's not a race. It's a marathon. All right. So I hope this is edifying. Okay. And shalom.